hearty namaskars to everyone. I'm Sandeep Baga. I've secured rank 244 in Civil Service Examination 2019. I'm from a small town, Huzurnagar in Telangana. I've completed my graduation in 2014 from a local college in Hyderabad. I'm neither an IITian nor an ITian. In fact, during my 4th year of my graduation, when Infosys came for a placement drive, I was rejected in the very qualifying round in the placement drive. But today, I could successfully qualify this exam with rank 244. I would like to thank Union Public Service Commission not just for recommending me to the civil services, but also for framing such a beautiful syllabus which enabled me to realize the true purpose of my life and also to find the very reason for which I landed on this great soil. My sincere gratitude to the poorest man of this country who always reminded me to work hard and protect him from the clutches of vulnerability. In fact, we are very much privileged. Every one of us have the privilege to decide what to eat and what not to eat every day. But there are more than 20-25 crore people in this country who decide whether to eat or not every single day. Every breath is a suffocating death for them. That's why red beacon should not motivate us. It's a red light which is being lit in the villages of rural India and slums of urban India which should motivate us. We should be able to feel the smell of the roses from the sweat of the common man. This kind of mindset needs to be inculcated during the preparation process to portray ourselves to become a successful civil servant. In fact, apart from smart work and hard work, I would like to emphasize on the hard work which is very much required to make ourselves inspired all the time, as well as to inculcate the good value system within ourselves. When we read about the struggle for Indian independence, there should be a fourfold increase in the love towards our nation. Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar was made to sit at the corner of the class. We all know this fact. We should be able to empathize the pain which he might have felt when he was subjected to the height of discrimination and when he was subjected to the ugliest form of injustice. And there were many satyagrahis on one side who sat for fast unto death to fulfill their objectives. On the other side, revolutionaries led by Sardar Bhagat Singh went to gallows with smiling faces. But today, we are going to the examination hall with anxiety and worry on our faces. It's a big shame on us, my dear friends. We have to be confident irrespective of the fact of our preparation process. It's a very small part of our life. People have sacrificed their life for the cause of the nation. Can't we sacrifice our own small interest, small petty things for the sake of our own future and as well as for the nation? Apart from that, a special mention should be made about my hero and the greatest martyr of this country, Sardar Bhagat Singh. He can give us enough courage to face any kind of challenge and problem we confront in our lives. He spent a very small life but lived every moment. He has successfully lived up to the expectations of the people of this country in just 24 years of his lifetime. In fact, he was a young man like us who had all the habits. He had put the interest of the general masses of this nation and the pride of this mother India above his self-interest, so which enabled him to sacrifice his life selflessly. So that's why we should take him as an inspiration. We should take the thought process from him which says that the nation's interest, the societal interest has to be put above our own self-interest. In fact, he sacrificed his life for the sake of ourselves, for the sake of each and every one of us who is preparing for this exam. So, we achieving our goal in this exam is equivalent to giving the biggest tribute to this greatest martyr of this country. With respect to the preparation, I would like to say that answer writing is one of the most important factors in the success of any civil service ranker. I'm greatly thankful to Mr. Rashid sir, Shantanu sir, Apu sir, NP Kishore sir, and Lakshman sir for enhancing my answer writing skill. In fact, Rashid sir, I could see the history of India in this light because of the way in which Rashid sir has taught me the history. And by the way, my optional is anthropology, not history. And Shantanu sir and Kishore sir used to motivate me a lot, and they have always been with me in all my tough times. And with respect to the preparation, apart from discipline and apart from knowledge and skill, you should be disciplined all the time, have perseverance and patience, so which will enable you to take forward in your preparation consistently. If you do not cherish right mindset in your preparation, you might perish, friends. So be careful. If you do not distinguish between what to read and what not to read, you might extinguish. So work hard in silence, let your success make noise. Just imagine what your parents might feel after you clear this exam. Just visualize their feel after you clear this exam. And finally, let me tell you one thing, friends. We are born without anything, but we die with our name. So don't let that name be just a word. Make it a history. Jai Hind.